want to give a thanks to Carl's Jr. in Burbank, located here by near the 5 freeway. It's allowed me to record this limited time chili burger, and I'm gonna get an Angus. Hot dogs in the streets, and now we have a fast food empire that rules the West Coast. We still have that here. That's insane. Now this right here, this is the big chili that they have it. That's new in the limited time Carl's Jr. So let's give this a try. All right, everybody, now it's time to give this big chili a try. Like, let's see, like, pretty good, pretty good. Unfortunately, I still prefer the El Diablo over this, but this is still pretty good. It's just simple cheeseburger with a big slice of pepper and some special sauce that they got. I don't know the name of it, but I give it a pass. Got lettuce here and so. It's pretty good at like any other Carl's Jr. burger, but this one I'll just give it like yeah, maybe a 4 out of like 4 out of 10. But yeah, so that's my opinion review, and of course, and I have a crisp cut here for my Carl's Jr. combos.
I'm a burger and fries kind of guy. And I just don't inhale my burger. I plan it all out. You gotta make sure each bite's got it all. Meat, cheese, onion, tomato. It's no accident that I end up on the perfect last bite.
If it doesn't get all over the place, it doesn't belong in your face.
Yeah.